Okay, so in this question, we have 4 students who are seated in a row awaiting their audition for the band. They are from IIT, NIT, MIT, VIT. They are wearing different colored uniforms, violet, blue, white, and black. And we also know that they play either the trumpet, the drums, the piano, or the guitar, right? Now let's read the question and try to figure out what all can be done. So the first statement is about trumpet and the drum. So I'm going to leave that for the time being because we know that there is a person playing trumpet and a person playing drum. IITian is wearing violet uniform and plays a piano. So violet uniform plays piano. MIT student is not seated at either of the end. The student playing the trumpet and the drums are sitting next to each other. So trumpet and the drums are sitting next to each other. The student who plays the trumpet is wearing a white uniform and is sitting next to the NITian. The NITian plays the guitar and is not seated at either of the end. So see, if you actually read this through, there is no right or left mentioned anywhere. So I'm going to put NITian now here. So if NITian is here, you can have the trumpet and the drums guy here because we know the NITian is already playing the guitar and he's not seated at one of the end. So definitely now the student playing trumpet and the drums are sitting next to each other can be either here or here. And we also know that the student who plays trumpet is wearing a white uniform and is sitting next to the NITian. So this is trumpet, this is drums. That means this is a piano, this is the IITian. It is also saying MIT student is not seated at either of the end. So MIT is here. That means this is VIT. We know that this is a violet colored uniform. The student playing the trumpet and the drums are sitting next to each other. The student who plays trumpet is wearing a white uniform. So this is white. The student in black uniforms plays the drum. So this is black. That means this will be now blue. So that solves this question. Who plays the drums? The VITian plays the drums. Who plays the trumpet? The MITian plays the trumpet. What is the color of the uniform worn by the NITian? It's blue. Who is sitting to the right of the student who plays drums? Now see, drums person is at the corner, and in this question there is no option given if you check it. So that means this person, adjacent person, who is sitting to the right of the student who plays drums, then can only be the MITian. And who is sitting to the left of the student who plays piano, that has to be a NITian. And that solves the question.